Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of the all-new 2023 Roadtrek Play SRT. And it's in the beautiful Granite exterior here. This one is loaded up with a lot of extra features. It's got the 300 watts of solar on the roof. And it also has the TV in the back. So two things that have always been very sought after in the Plays and the Play SRTs are now built right into this one. One additional huge upgrade on this is going to be the adaptive cruise control. This one does have adaptive cruise control. Most 2022 Roadtrek chassis that we got from Ram did not have the adaptive cruise control, and moving forward, the 2023 Ram chassis, none of those will have the adaptive cruise control. So one of the very few out there that's going to have all the bells and whistles, 300 watts of solar, the TV, and the adaptive cruise. So very, very good bang for your buck here. I would venture to say there's nothing else in this price range that is going to come close to the amount of features you have here. So let's take a look on the outside. Got the nice aluminum wheels, and you have that real nice metallic flake on the Granite. You're gonna have screens on the side and back. Nice clean look here, all automotive glass. Just looks like a real nice fancy van. You will have a power awning there. In addition, there'll be a permanent step there, which I do like, as it will always work no matter what. You don't have to worry about power steps. As nice as they are, the permanent step will always function. Okay, coming to the back here. All right, we're going to have our hitch wiring. We're gonna have your city water input right over there. We're gonna have cable TV inputs and shore power hookups right back here. And you kind of see it in this direct sunlight. You can really kind of see that metallic flake all throughout. It really is quite nice. And there will be some storage underneath the power sofa in the back here too. In addition, you do have 3 seat belts on this back power sofa here, and 2 3-point belts, and then 1 lap belt in the center. And it's all forward facing as well, which is definitely going to give you an advantage, as a lot of these will be sort of side facing machines. And you know, it's pretty easy to get car sick in one of those, going any length of time and sort of side facing. So it does have an outside shower with hot and cold water. Has a tankless hot water heater, so as much hot water as you want. Has the macerator pump down there, so it always pumps all the waste out if you're in an incline or decline. Gas fill right over there. So a very sharp looking machine on the outside. Very, very sharp. And the Granite sort of blends in with this plastic a little bit, so you don't really get any sort of two-tone look on it. So it really does blend nicely. Let's take a look inside our Play SRT. And one of the first things we'll see is the new interior color. So it used to have the cherry wood inside here. As nice as that was, it was a little dark. You know, we're talking a short chassis here, 19 foot 7 inches. So, you know, it's having the lighter wood, the lighter granite countertops. That's gonna be kind of nice if you ask me. Makes it feel a little bit more airy, a little bit more open. So, you know, I definitely like that they went to a lighter color. So you can see we have the nice big double door refrigerator and freezer setup. Great pull-out pantry here. And this does have the big AGM battery, the 400 amp hour AGM battery, so you can still run your air conditioner right off the battery system. And then it has the in-engine generator that will recharge it very quickly, and your 300 watts of solar in addition. So all of that will recharge your batteries pretty quickly. So you can run your air conditioner for a few hours, and then all you have to do is idle the engine. It's set at a low idle, so it's very, very quiet. Not going to bother anybody. So, you know, great for having pets in here, or you know, anything you might want to do, or sleeping overnight in the machine without having a generator running or needing to be plugged in. This is our bathroom, of course, and it does have that tankless water heater, and you have a 37-gallon freshwater holding tank as well. Much, much larger than any of its competition. You know, it's probably more than double most of its competition. So a huge freshwater tank there, absolutely huge. And here's going to be our 2022 Ram chassis. Been totally redesigned for 2022. Have a nice pixel matrix display in the center, Apple and Android CarPlay, GPS, and again, you're going to have that adaptive cruise control that just this one's going to have. It does have blind spot assist on the mirrors. Even the rear view mirror turns into a camera that's on all the time, which is a nice plus. So nice wide angle view. With any motorhome, you're going to have blind spots, which that totally gets rid of with that rear view camera. So once you get used to that, it's hard to go back, that's for sure. And a little bit of extra storage up here. This is just the floor mats for the front, so these would be removed, and all that would be extra storage. And we'll have our monitor panel here to check our different tank levels, battery disconnect switch. We can turn the inverter on and off here, put our awning in or out. Okay, and we have the nice stainless steel backsplash here with a 2-burner stove, microwaves up on top, air conditioner in the back here. Nice deep wardrobe back here for all kinds of clothing. And we'll come to the back here. We'll have our rear power sofa, and it is actually quite comfortable when you sit on it. And you could recline this a bit too, you know, maybe kick your feet up or something like that, you know, and then watch TV while you're going down the road. The other thing you can do, which is pretty cool, is swivel the 2 front seats. You can even put your table there if you want to have some lunch, and maybe you want to watch some local news or something like that, check the weather. You can watch the TV while you eat, as this will swivel 180 degrees. So very, very cool setup indeed. This will all make up into a queen size bed as well. So yeah, there's outlets all throughout here, reading lights that are adjustable, plenty of windows with screens on it and everything. So, and shades, of course. So very, very comfortable setup. It does have that power fan up on top there, and it's looks like a new one compared to last year's model. I noticed it has manual buttons right on the fan itself, so you don't have to find the remote. You can simply push the buttons right on the fan without dealing with a remote, which I think is just a cool added extra there for sure. So yeah, this is our 2023 Play SRT from Roadtrek. I venture to guess, I can't imagine any other Class B in this price range that's going to have as much as this one does. When you're talking 300 watts of solar, you're talking in-engine generator, 400 amp hour AGM battery that's going to run your air conditioner for you, big fridge and freezer, you have seat belts for up to 5. I mean, the interior as well is just fantastic. So I really think it's a fantastic buy. It really is. So again, my name is Josh. I'd be happy to help you. Give me a call here at 414-281-6330. That number will be on your screen as well. Also on your screen will be our website to check out pricing and availability to see if this is available. And that's advancedcamping.com. And if you like this video and want to see more, please do feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.